Hello, welcome to the channel. Just wanted a quick reminder, be safe when you're building models. If you're using a Dremel tool for grinding or cutting, use safety glasses, use a mask so that you're not breathing in particulate. No matter what you're sanding, cutting, the particulate can get in your lungs, so please be safe. In this video, I want to strongly recommend that if you are a model builder and a scratch builder, obviously, you've probably had to do some research before you built that unique model to learn about it, learn the prototype, what its function was, how it was used, patents that were utilized by the original manufacturers. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't publish that research. They may display some of it when they put the model in a model contest, but it would be nice to see something more than just a drawing in a magazine on a model. So I tend to do quite a bit of research. I save it electronically and in a loose leaf notebook so I can organize it as a reference material. And one of my research projects, which I have for sale, is a book I wrote on the narrow gauge in Republic of Panama. And it's pretty thorough. It's got a lot of pictures that I took that you won't find anywhere else except in that book. Its last days of the Cherokee Land Company. And I think if you're a narrow gauge model builder, you would find it thoroughly enjoyable because there's not a lot of modeling done in that part of the world that references some of the narrow gauge in Central America. For instance, Costa Rica was a little bit larger than 3 foot, whereas Panama was 3 foot gauge. And there was an interchange there on the border between the two countries. And so I think you would find the book very interesting and informative. So